Hey everyone, quick walkthrough on how to build your first AI worker in Gwen. This whole process takes about 15 minutes, start to finish, and by the end, you'll have a working HCC perspective coding app. Let's jump in. Before you touch anything, you need two things, a Gwen account and either a dataset or a sample clinical document. If you don't have real data handy, don't worry. Gwen ships with synthetic demo records you can use instead. Okay, so step one. Open Studio. There we go. This is where you describe your workflow in plain language. For this walkthrough, I'm going to type something like build an HCC V28 prospective coding app for outpatient visits with a human review step before submission. Okay, so notice I'm being specific, naming the workflow, the HCC version, the encounter type, and the review step. That specifically matters a lot, and I'll explain why in just a second. Step 2. Before you approve anything, Gwen shows you a module plan. This is critical. Check that HCC prospective coding is listed and that it's using the correct HCC version, V28 and not V24. If something looks off here, don't approve it. Go back and edit your prompt instead. This is a checkpoint that matters the most. Step 3. Approve and generate. You'll see a spinner from anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes. Important. Do not close this tab while it's running. Credits are consumed when generation starts, not when it's complete. So a stalled or interrupted run still uses your credits. If the spinner runs past 12 minutes, that's a different issue. There's a dedicated troubleshooting page for a generation stalled that happens in the knowledge base. Step 4. Connect your data. You can either upload a CSV file or connect an EHR through FHIR. If you're uploading a CSV, double check that your column names match what Gwen expects. This is actually one of the most common issues people run into. If the app starts reading the wrong columns, there's a CSV and schema errors page that walks through the fix. And step 5, run the workflow and review. Click run. Gwen processes the records and every result gets flagged for human review. You'll see the recommendation, a confidence score, and the source evidence that you approve, modify, or reject before anything moves forward. This human in the loop step isn't optional. It's built into every AI worker by design. So what success usually looks like. The app loads in the preview panel, no blank screen, it processes at least one record, and you see the review queue with flagged items waiting for you. If instead you're staring at a blank preview, that's a Docker issue, not a you issue, and there's a page for that too. Now, as you can see over here, our prompt asks us 5 questions, open questions before it builds. So it asks me, number 1, note ingestion. Are notes always file uploads, PDF, images, OCR, always pasted text, or both? So I'm just going to do 1 as both. 2, submission target, claims router external pair API or EHR. I will do EHR in this case. Number 3, auth, existing SSO OIDC provider, or should we scaffold basic role-based coder versus admin? Let's do the first one, SSO / OIDC. Expected sessions / day affects whether the queue needs fragmentation plus WebSocket push versus simple plotting. let's do once a day. And then for number 5, dual review required by your compliance policy. Yes. There we go. And then over here, the agent is going to review all your prompts. It's going to update your prompts, and it's going to try to generate your application just in a few minutes. And as you can see, our prompt is up and ready, and now all we have to do is switch to build mode to ship this. So you're going to go to build mode, and we're going to write ship this. And here we are in preview. And here we go. After a couple of minutes, our application is fully generated and ready to run. That's the full quick start. Everything I just walked through is also written out step by step in the knowledge base if you want to follow along at your own pace. And the sidebar has dedicated fixes for anything that goes sideways along the way. Thank you.